we had a tree from our neighbor's lot fall on our home, do some damage to the roof. And so once the insurance company approved us to move forward, we contacted Guardian because you're the ones who had put the original roof on the home and also had done our chimney. So we wanted to make sure that we had one person who was kind of warranting the whole surface. And so they scheduled a time to come out. Our technicians were Jose and Victor, and they arrived on time, were very, very fast. They did the work quickly, were very clean. They cleaned up after themselves, even blew off our deck and roof and everything to clean up when they left. And we were just very, very pleased with not only how quickly they got the work done, but how nice it looks now. So all I have to do is go back and paint the sections that are new, and we're past this. So we would certainly recommend Guardian to someone who was looking to have roofing work done. Our experience was very positive.